When disaster strikes without warning, the unprepared are the first to fall. But the right survival gadgets turn chaos into control. If you're searching for the ultimate edge in a crisis, here's a countdown of 20 coolest doomsday survival gear and gadgets every prepper must have to stay ready when the stakes are at their highest. All mentioned product links are in the description below. Number 20. Survival Belt 2.0. Style meets survival in a belt built for the end of days. Crafted with a glass-filled nylon buckle, it hides a folding AUS-8 stainless steel knife, ferro rod fire starter, LED flashlight, and even a bottle opener. The USA-made strap features a webbing core shielded by TPU alloy, tough enough to endure brutal conditions without twisting or wearing down. More than gear, it's a covert survival kit around your waist. Number 19. Titan SurvivorCord. The strongest cord is the only thing that can be relied upon in emergency situations. Built to military-grade standards with a 620-pound tensile strength, it packs 3 hidden life-saving strands: fishing line, metallic utility wire, and fire-starting jute. Whether securing gear, building shelter, or sparking a blaze in pouring rain, it's designed to handle chaos with ease. Crafted by a U.S. combat veteran, it's the ultimate doomsday paracord, trusted by soldiers, adventurers, and survivalists worldwide. Number 18. Spark Necklace. In survival, fire is life, and now you can carry it around your neck. Crafted with a ferro rod and a zirconia ceramic scraper that's 10 times harder than steel, it throws sparks at 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit for instant ignition. Built on a rugged leather strap, it's lightweight, durable, and always within reach. Whether for camping, wilderness survival, or doomsday prep, this discreet fire starter pendant is as practical as it is powerful. Number 17. GETXGO Emergency Kit. When disaster strikes, you don't get second chances, so your gear has to be ready for anything. Built fire and water resistant, this compact survival kit keeps your essentials safe when the elements turn brutal. Packed with modern tools for emergencies, it's designed for quick access whether you're escaping a burning home, braving floods, or facing apocalyptic chaos. Tough, secure, and built for survival. It's the kit that won't let you down. Number 16. Fire Starter Survival Tool. In the wild, fire is survival, and having the right tool can save your life. This all-in-one survival torch ignites instantly, even in pouring rain or high winds, combining a premium ferrocerium rod, striker, wick, and bellow in one compact kit. Reliable for thousands of strikes or hours of burn time, it's perfect for bushcraft, hiking, camping, or bug-out scenarios, ensuring you're ready for any emergency. Number 15. SPIKA Snake Gaiter. When venturing into snake-prone terrain, lower leg protection can be a lifesaver. Professionally tested to block fangs up to 12 millimeters, these reinforced PU-bonded canvas gaiters combine durability with flexibility. Lightweight yet secure, they feature adjustable closures, reinforced stitching, and anti-slip soles for safe movement. Water-resistant and available in multiple sizes and colors, they're the ultimate armor for hikers, survivalists, and doomsday preppers navigating forests, grasslands, or rocky landscapes. Number 14. Savotta Jääkäri M. Out on the edge of survival, every ounce of gear matters. Built from battle-tested 1000D Cordura, this 30-liter pack is tough enough for brutal conditions yet slim enough to move fast through forests or collapsing cities. With MOLLE webbing for modular add-ons, padded straps for comfort, and a frame sheet for stability, it carries heavy loads with ease. Hydration-ready and built for quick access, it's the no-nonsense lifeline for doomsday preppers. Number 13. Morakniv Bushcraft BlackBlade. In a world where the wilderness shows no mercy, only the toughest blades earn their place. Forged from carbon steel with a stealthy black anti-corrosive finish, it stays sharp through wet, dirty, and unforgiving conditions. Its Scandinavian grind makes carving and battening effortless, while the TPE rubber handle locks into your grip with comfort and control. Paired with a rugged polymer sheath, it's the ultimate no-frills survival companion for doomsday readiness. Number 12. Kalkal Tree Stand. Staying alive at high altitudes frequently hinges on safety, stealth, and balance. Built from rugged 900D nylon with camouflage concealment, this tactical tree harness blends seamlessly into the environment while supporting up to 300 pounds. Offering 360-degree mobility, it lets you move, aim, and strike from any angle. With comfort for long hours, a safety rope, and gear loops, it's a secure lifeline for hunters and doomsday survivalists alike. Number 11. Emergency Sleeping Bag. When survival hinges on staying warm, exposure can be deadlier than hunger or thirst. Crafted with reflective heat echo material, this tactical bivvy reflects 90% of your body heat, keeping you alive in freezing conditions. Lightweight and compact, it transforms into an oversized stuffed sack with a paratinder drawstring for secure storage and emergency fire starting. Tough, versatile, and built for extreme survival situations. Number 10. WOLFBOX Jump Starter. A dead battery can be a major problem, but the WOLFBOX Jump Starter makes sure you're never stranded. Delivering 4,000 peak amps, it can revive a fully drained vehicle and doubles as a 24,000 mAh power bank with a 65-watt USB-C port, quick charge USB-A, and built-in flashlight with SOS and strobe. With IP64 weatherproofing, a magnetic tail cap, and a 10-layer safety system, it's a reliable tool for emergencies. Number 9. Emergency Survival Poncho. Out in the wild, every layer of protection counts. Built from advanced thermal mylar, it locks in up to 92% of body heat while shielding you from rain, wind, and cold. The reversible design doubles as a heat reflector or rescue signal, and its lightweight, one-size-fits-all build makes it an essential piece of doomsday survival gear for any prepper's kit. Number 8. Avalanche Hunting Crossbow. When silence is survival, nothing hits harder than a well-placed bolt. Built for both hunting and defense, this powerful crossbow delivers accuracy and force without the noise of firearms, making it perfect for doomsday scenarios. Its durable build ensures long-lasting performance, while reusable bolts mean you'll never run out of firepower when resources are scarce. Compact yet deadly, it's the kind of survival weapon that could tip the odds in your favor. Number 7. MSR Guardian. When access to clean water becomes a matter of survival, having a reliable purifier is essential. Military-grade and built to endure extreme conditions, this portable pump removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and particulates from virtually any water source. Pumping at 2.5 liters per minute and treating up to 10,000 liters, it self-cleans with every stroke, ensuring fast, hassle-free purification for backcountry, travel, and emergency situations. Number 6. Lever Gear Toolcard. In a world where chaos can strike without warning, versatility becomes your strongest weapon. This ultra-slim EDC multi-tool packs 24 functions into a credit card-sized design, featuring wrenches, screwdrivers, pry bar, cord cutter, and openers for bottles, boxes, and cans. Crafted from heat-treated 420 stainless steel with smooth edges and a satin finish, it's rugged, TSA compliant, and ready for any doomsday scenario or end-of-the-world mission. Number 5. OGT Survival Axe. When chaos hits, one tool can replace an entire arsenal. Forged with a full-tang steel head and a rugged nylon handle, this compact 11-inch multi-tool packs 31 survival features. Chop with the resharpenable hatchet, hammer stakes, pry, or saw with its fold-out 6-inch blade. Add in a seatbelt cutter, glass breaker, gas valve wrench, and bottle opener, and you've got a lightweight powerhouse built for doomsday survival and beyond. Number 4. Wolf Grizzly Grill. Food and fire are essential for survival in the wild, and having the proper equipment enables both. Weighing just 2.2 pounds, this foldable stainless steel grill sets up in under a minute and handles loads up to 30 pounds. With 120 square inches of cooking space, it adapts to wood or charcoal, packing into a compact case with tools for easy carry. Tough, portable, and built for doomsday readiness. Number 3. Responder Tactical Jacket. It appears to be a jacket at first, but when you put it on, it turns into survival armor. Blending cotton comfort with the rugged resilience of nylon, it's built for harsh conditions and long missions. Reinforced shoulders reduce strain under heavy gear, while protective layering wards off abrasion. With 10 laser-cut Moeli pockets, many hidden for secure storage, it's tactical readiness disguised as everyday wear, perfect for doomsday survival. Number 2. VSSL Camp Supplies. Sometimes, survival can fit in the palm of your hand rather than in large packs. Packed into a nearly indestructible aluminum tube, this compact kit hides over 70 survival essentials. Fire starters, fishing gear, a compass, wire saw, first aid, and more. Lightweight yet rugged, it's designed for any emergency, whether you're deep in the wilderness or bracing for doomsday. Small, tough, and ready when everything else fails. Number 1. TOPS El Chete. In a world where chaos rules, only brutal steel keeps you alive. This 12-inch, quarter-inch thick high-carbon blade smashes through wood, bone, and unforgiving terrain with savage efficiency. Its Cerakote armor shrugs off corrosion, while the Rocky Mountain tread handle locks tight in your grip, even drenched in sweat. Surprisingly light, yet devastatingly powerful, it's the razor-edged sledgehammer every doomsday survivor needs. So that wraps up our list of 20 coolest doomsday survival gear and gadgets every prepper should know. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more survival content. Thanks for watching, and stay prepared until next time.